Yeah, yeah.
Hello, come on board. 74, right? That's so you go straight ABC on your right hand side.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice name. Hi, I'm in the Airbus A380. Upstairs is first class and business class. And this is the corner.
The device, it must be held in your hand or placed in a seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats,
Are you Sarah?
Yes.
Hi, Sarah. My colleague will show you your seat.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good too. Would you want me to fill you up? These are all business class seats. Yes, we have 28 seats right here, which is in the afternoon, alright? Would you like to try the seats for a while? Maybe you can take the seats and you can actually put a flat bed, which is a fully flat bed, right? This.
So this actually becomes the bed, like.
Yes.
Ah,
Just
so
if you put off your legs, you need to put sideways. Your legs have to lift up, that's it. Yes. Like.
Well, next time you're going to business class.
Yes, one day Mama will buy for you. Yes, this is the business class seat. So this is a fully flat bed. You can put your leg. Alright, let's continue our journey.
Thank you. Have a wonderful flight with us.
Just be very careful, yeah, Sarah? You have nice shoes. Do you like the Crocs?
Yes.
Oh, do you like just put it? Just put it down. Down. Should I make this for you? This is our latest Disney Plush book. Alright?
Thank you.
My pleasure, always. Thank
I got a lot of gifts from Singapore Airlines.
Oh, yes. This is what you want. This one. I'll get another one for you, darling, yeah?
This is fine for me.
Are you sure? Oh, these are things.
Thank you, Singapore Airlines, for giving me a wonderful tour of the upper deck of Airbus A380.
I hope you have a good rest. Sarah,
Yeah, I actually spend most of my time watching a movie.
are you excited? We are visiting Swiss.
Many happy returns.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Thank you. Hi. Hi, sir.
Your luggage as well.
Great. Thank you so much.
Someone's waiting for you. Someone's waiting for you.
Oh my God. Sarah, what's this?
In Singapore Airlines.
The chef.
Oh my God.
I'll make
Show
cookies.
the seat. I can show you the seat. Thank you. Okay, show her please. It's remote. So, press to go to see if you want to see the view. You can press and look at the window over there.
Yes. And if you want to watch a movie, then we can put you. Okay, the TV. So the seat swivels. TV is over there, and you can make it closer for you as well.
It's the size of my TV.
Yeah, I think so. Let me just think. Oh. So you can adjust the TV so that it can face you. Maybe Daddy wants to see how the TV moves.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you so much.
We have 6 suites in first suites class. You can take a look. There's a couple. 2 other couples. So when the couples come on board, we can bring out the table so you have a double bed for them to sleep together. That's for mommy and daddy, remember? I think that's it.
Thank you so much, man.
Alright.
This was so sweet
Is this
of you all.
home? Delhi is home?
Yes.
Welcome home then. Okay. You have a good birthday in Singapore?
I live in Hong Kong, but
Oh,
I
you
went to Changi Airport.
Okay. And Jewel as well?
Yeah, I went to Butterfly Garden there.
Yes.
And I saw the waterfall while coming back.
Oh,
When I was going to Hong Kong, the butterfly on the water, we went so many times to SkyTrip and Dreamworld.
Oh, but you can come back, right, for holiday?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we
you
should.
can. Okay, then.
And Sarah loves to talk a lot, but the aircrafts need to be cleared.
Yes, it's okay. All right, then.
They have to work very hard because there are 560 passengers.
Oh, not really. 443, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. So, but thanks so much for making
No,
this
it's all
possible
right,
for her.
thank you.
It
I'm
means a
sorry that we
lot.
couldn't bring you earlier because the ground.
I understand that.
Thank you so
it's,
much. Thank
it's
you.
the biggest aircraft on earth.
Yes, it
So-
is. It is. And very rare now because
Yeah.
they don't make it anymore. They don't make these aircraft anymore. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
All right
Thank
then.
you.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Do you have everything? Your passport, wallet, handphone.
I have a chef.
Yeah, you have your chef. Okay then.
Okay, let's go. We can go this side.
Yeah, this way.
Oh, this way.
Actually, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, Sarah. Bye bye. Enjoy your birthday. Bye. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.
Okay, thank you.